Teeth whitening is simple but very dangerous if not done properly. People randomly advise to apply lemon, baking soda, vinegar, strawberry, whitening toothpaste and so on. But all these methods can cause serious enamel erosion leading to sensitive teeth and gum damage. You can happily live with a slightly yellow teeth, but you cannot live happily with sensitive teeth or gum disease. So teeth whitening should be your least priority when compared to dental health. In this video, we will see a safest natural method that provides sparkling white teeth within few weeks. No abrasives, no chemicals, no bleach, no acids and no fluoride. For this you need holy basil powder. Holy basil, also known as tulsi plant, is one of the Ayurvedic herbs that's been used widely to treat several health conditions. Holy basil is different from normal sweet basil. It helps to gradually dissolve plaque layer and improves teeth whitening. Neem powder. Neem is used in dental health from several centuries in India. Neem twigs are commonly used as toothbrush in the olden days. Neem is highly antimicrobial and can kill bacteria causing tooth stains and discoloration. Licorice root powder. Licorice has compounds that may be more effective than fluoride in the prevention of plaque, cavities and gum disease. Licorice can clear away yellow layers of plaque on the teeth, revealing sparkling whiter teeth. Mustard oil. Mustard oil works like a perfect natural teeth whitener. Mustard oil has strong odor and powerful antibacterial properties. It can help loosen the fat-soluble bacteria and eliminate it from the teeth and gums. Let's see how to make this remedy for teeth whitening. In a glass bowl, take 2 tablespoons of holy basil powder. To this, add 2 tablespoons of licorice powder. Licorice powder is very sweet in taste. Now we need to add neem powder. Neem is extremely bitter. Just adding a little is enough. Add a half tablespoon of neem powder. Let's take mustard oil. Just add enough of mustard oil to make the powder into a fine paste. You might need a little over 4 tablespoons. Mix everything with the help of a spoon. That's all. Teeth whitening herbal paste is ready. Take a brush. Take around 1 inch of this paste and gently brush all over the teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. After brushing, rinse your mouth with fresh water. After this, you can do your regular brushing if you want to. Remember, this will not replace your regular brushing. Follow this home remedy every day once and enjoy naturally healthy white teeth. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.